Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with hashtag 12 Weeks of Christmas 2022, Week 3. This is hosted by B&D Crafts and More, Kelly Creative Dreams. All we do is have to do something Christmas related. So I did some Christmas cards. If y'all watch my channel, you know that I love doing mixed media. So how I make these, and I did some of my backgrounds. So I just have some delusion paper. I decorate it the way I choose. Okay. And I came up with these. So here are two different designs I came up with. And I used every little piece of my background on these cards. I left some plain so you guys could see what they look like plain. So like here. And oh, here's a full one. Here's another full one. But here you can see two pieces left over. Two pieces left over. And pieces. And then I can just decorate. So, them are how they look. I'll show you them one more time. I think they look cool just the way they are actually too. But you know, you have to add to them. And I like my red and green at Christmas. And I don't get into like the pinks, the purples at Christmas. So, let's look at the cards I made. And, so here's just little pieces. Just little pieces. And the little stickers that you're seeing, I did use stickers. Excuse me. Are these window decorations from the Dollar Tree. And there's that one, and then there's this one. And I've got two pieces to use, though. So that's these little stickers. And right now, I left them plain inside. I will get out a die and make a nice little framing die to write my saying in. See the little pieces. Santa. Who doesn't like Santa? This little snowman. Show you a little closer. Oh, there's two stuck. Okay. So them are the smaller ones. And this is a Delusion stamp I recently got. And I put some music paper on the bottom, little snowflakes, and just doodled a little bit. You got this one, little gnome stickers. Put Merry Gnomes. Another one, I combined some of the stickers as well as a little gnome. I think they look like gnomes, so. It's another Delusion one I colored. And then I have the truck, and here's one with just pieces. I did the tree and the truck. So you can create even with just your little leftover pieces and not have anything go to waste. I mean, like this, I like how this looks just on its own. Could just put a little sticker in the corner, like just Merry Christmas too. You don't always have to have a big sticker. I chose to do the big stickers, but come down to the little bit. Let's see, here, like this. Just put a little candy cane, and it looks cute by itself. And then see, did a card right in front of you. There we go. I'll have to glue it down better though. There. And Merriest of Seasons, and then the little candy cane. So, use your pieces. What I'm getting at here is don't let anything go to waste, because you can create with anything. So, after you get, like the main, like the whole piece out, and then, because you figure I got 2 per card, so I had all this left. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. And make sure you go check out the other people that are participating. Bye, everybody.